Indlalifa ngumfana nkasana isunu ngubani Indlalifa
Mother called me.
So ufanele ngimata sididizele kangaka.
Hey, fala unobungozi dizu mother tell you. Uyichicken unscrambled eggs. Ngithi uyayibona imbiza ngempama ayibone so wake waqhathwa umata ezoo ukuyathena izilwane for special. Ngithi wafa at some point. Ukufa khona self. Kodwa kwayisaba kumtshela ukuthi uzufile.
Hayi, hasamba.
Siya emzini wani ngawuthenga.
Lo akakho.
Hey, into yonke ekaba bami ngeyami. Asika. Oh.
Ladies and mere jobless, homeless, useless men, prepare to be robbed.
Wena susahlala phandle wena. Ngizokuxotsha endlini yami wena. Hlala ungibani umsindo nje.
No stupidity formed against my party mood to work, darling. Malume is gone and it's my party time.
Malume is gone. Kathi manje indokonya yakhe lana ingabuya khona iyabuya phela la.
That was Squint's way of getting rid of Uncle.
Okay, nje awusintori so. Sasenza ama-party la. Sithini ukudla mina Nkosi yami sizadla size sidle lapha ekhaya. Hayi.
Elphina, usulambwani nekuseni ngaso ubhizi udidizela nje.
Hey, sisubani.
I am the only one to do parties, or else no party.
Baya, ngikubona sithi qwaqwa emaparty namnjalo mafuma muzambona.
No, I'm doing my own party too.
Asimen manini sibili. Asenze ni party you1 and then kwapha ku party you1 sesibona ukuthi ngubani oblind kwapha.
Yeah.
Awona man. Sithi nguLiya.
No, it's okay. Wena, lo Baya, the team. Mina ngizothatha Zamba lo Squint.
Madam lo Zamba.
Elphina. Phela ngikubhala baphela it's about food okay.
Kade party nokwenzani?
Eat, dance, ngena abantwana.
Phela ke depend ukuthi khona ukufuna ukwenza njani. Ufuna ukwenza utatarika kumbunuka umlomo kumbunjani.
But Elphina okusalayo, we can't eat 16 times a party.
Lawo, cathi udali yini? 61 lo ayikhona 16. Ukuthi ngimbhale ngamabala.
61 lo e. Ha? Elphina, we are not eating 61 times a party, not even 10. Ufuna ngitshone toilet la?
Mina I'll take care of that department.
Na ngithi maybe sabhala izinto ezinjengabo grand entrance, bo dress code. Yabo into ezinjalo nje.
Phela. Bese singena sithwele
Into ezingela nyama phakathi.
Alright, right.
We are not a food team thina. Asidli.
Kusho wena ufuna ukungena.
Bese senza thatha lela nyona sobhala ama plans akho konke. La msenza bhala ama plans. But we need money.
Kanzamba. So you konke khona kanti la ngivele ngithabelele ngithethe uhlanya ovungulu.
Madam, La ngamabizo ephathi lethu asifuna ukuthi nxa ujikela amagroupini so abantu kugcwaleka 1.
What's all that game?
Ale bizo lakho lebizo lami li combination madam.
Zamba. Indaba uqale lakho kulandele lami. U-CEO kuyimi.
Madam, kungaqala lakho kasho ngani kumbe sesiqala ilizwe. Madam Ramba.
Okay then. Lokhu ke?
Party comrades.
Zamba. Anso comrade mina into zabantu abahlanyayo lezi. Ngicomrade njani nangasake ngempini?
Party comrade and party animal.
Zamba so ngani ngwele nja yakho.
Madam komnandi manje ngakunjalo cute so ngani ngichi wami.
Wena Zamba.
Zamba and Sons.
Hayi. Angosiyekelane lakho lokho. It's like invite abantu abaphopayo.
Khulula madam.
Like ama youth.
Yazi uyenzani? Uyathatha impicture rami swan, ujikele emagobrini, ujikele kodwa sokungabe yakube kuningi kakhulu ngabantu kugcwale kuchitheke kuncane ukuthi uzomlo. Uyazi ukwenza. Bara uthi kule party roZamba. Uya bathu.
Zamba. Uyazinanzelela kodwa uthi useless. Useless.
Ngiyabonga madam, ngongamafutha lokho engigcobayo kule ngulube so. Thanks.
Let me use this face to market. I'm a grouping man. Yeah. Zamba, senza bani. Hey, wait. Yes. Wow. So I was approved. Great. This thing is simple, but the only challenge is finding the sound. Okay. Scary. Loud. Annoying.
Squint. No, I don't gijimisa khona kumbuya ngijima ngithi ngizoba gijimisa.
No. I was just testing my gadget, I know, you can just tell me a story.
Story esinjani manje?
Any both.
Esikama G sokumtshela keyboard kumbe sempini.
Both. Hlani.
Sasesithethe lo.
Louder.
Uma G wayethanda ukuthi achaye ikeyboard lozwane olukhulu lolu. Ngase ngimtshela ukuthi kuchawa lesithupha reminere wabe sithi bre wathola kada esithi lelizwe alirama alirama lelizwe likwe
So right Zamba. Kanti namhla usebenza?
Namhla sengama party comrade lo madam.
Zamba. Asivumelana khona ukuthini?
Madam manje ngikhuluma ngalosi izintuyi. Ngokwani lo?
I just gadget yami le ukutest the sound. Zamba ngisokutheni?
Zamba. Wanti ngifuna ukutesta ama sound wonke phe. Wazi uzazoleka sifukia testa I sound ngale party nje.
Uzabulela ungakayitest nje sound yankhona. Hawu kwenzani?
Uyazi basquint ngabe umbhobho wami rema bullet xa benya kutestera lokho mina.
Indlalifa. Indlalifa.
Mama, you're just wasting your time. Liya by party and Elphina. It's going to be big.
Where is it registered? Anyway, mina look useless. Actually, my party is a celebrity. Like, I'm posted on Instagram by everyone. And guess who's coming? Who needs? And so Aisha posted me one take about my party. So you and Elphina can have your PT party, and I have a celebrity party.
Chila wena yabiza amapantsu lekase party yakho.
Zamba! thank you guys for coming. Let's do this!
Let's do it, guys. This is it, man. This is it. It's gonna be big and better. Let's do this.
So, what are the activities, guys?
Come on, guys. Before let's get up and vele unatwana ubenywana phela le wasina siyayithatha Sancho's got some stuff inside. Let's list the activities.
Ayidlaliswile nje.
Lincane ntwana.
Anya lincane but andasenti nje.
Yazi, awulemala nje. Base ngigijimisela baba liyagijima nje.
Alinaliswiya but andalutho esikhwameni andasenti.
Ntwana. Awufa. Ulemali ngifakidlala.
Andalutho arisandalutho nje ngenqamba nje.
Awufa idishi ke.
Ala andasenti memba amandalutho.
Mina ngusothela amaflowers ntwana.
Haje.
Enze idladla ngindi benswempu baba.
Andasenti nje kabi ngiyakumenzela la yakwazi.
Bathenza sontwana. Wena ungaba lemali nje. Ubuye. Space okupracticeela baba sigcwele ama room wopho. Lokukhona usomela phume baba.
Amana ngizama ukuphuthuma memba yami yethi lezinyana.
Sisonke nje. Sure. Ngithengaba le space esingakekela ukwenza something. Somela ngisharp. Baya thathaphe.
Eish, this part is thanks, man. But, look, I want to Tilizumbumbe. Yes, mfana. Allah zoom la. Boom, get out. I said get out, man. Tilizumbumbe.
Oh, yes.
Okay, guys. It's now time to welcome the CEOs.
When I'm in the middle of the city, no team, just a dream. The devil's still trying to kill me. Since 2016, I swear I've been on a mission to deliver what the game's been missing. A little bit of BYO to rock the nation. A kingpin incarnation. I knew I was the one, but the Lord said, son, be patient. It's more than killing these stages. You'll never show a teen how to dream while chasing the fame. You'll never grow while avoiding the pain. The future look bright, I'm a light, still fanning the flame. It's never easy to empower the game, but still I carry on. Berg to ace, the vibe is crazy. 6 to 60, like Sani. Friend or foe, you never face me. It's not a game, you'll never play me. Hands up when we come around. From the city of kings and the queens, and the thing that could bring me down. Look, mommy, you better love me now. They can't fight the clothes, they just got to know the vibe is correct. 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 This is for the G's still stuck in a Berg life, dreaming of the fame or what money could feel like, drinking away the pain. Don't quit, you can still fight, facing that real life. Dreams can still rise, praying I lead right for the people trying to follow the way. Too many great ones passing away, but no, not me. Find power in the words I say, the Lord breathes in the songs I make. I think about the days still stuck on the city hall bench. No hope cause the country a mess, was really depressed, using music to inspire my friends. Now the city
Mother, kuleza gogani lapha Vuzu lapho nabantu.
Zamba, I'm so busy. Like, go on, like,
Buzz ginger. Kuleza gogani lapha Vuzu lapho nabantu.
Zamba la yenzalukazi. But see freshness. Amalas. Ambani.
Hey, Zamba.
How? Another. Hi. Stop. Why did you come back?
Indlalifa. Indlalifa.
Andiyabona anti kulama twins lawa mina ngilitwin kaZamba. uZamba akakho anti usechurch.
Exactly. Uhambele twin likabaya umoya sengumfundisa.
Lidakiwe lina straight anti.
Hayi. Dawami. Ukuthi anti flole yagida kanali mali boring nanti wazi. Hayi eboring flole anti.
Akuhlele phansi wena yekela lokuqina amanga lapho.
Flole yagida.
Nani bengizitela music video yami Baya lo Zamba ungama cameraman nami.
Wena unehlanya wena anti iphathi yakhe mambudle yonke langa wakhe wangani wakhe ntuthi igcwele kunapha ngiyakhe anti.
Wahlangene nabantu so Baya ulitwini.
Oh kanje. Hey, anti kasozazwisise. Mana senze so. Uthi benisenza le twin likabaya.
Hello? Zamba gijima uwe lapha katheso. Kulo Aunt Martha lapha gijima uwe. So wena ngoba lapha mina ngijimi yakhanka.
Shut up wena. Listen, today I'm not going to use this. Ngoba indlela leyo ngakhona la.
Ngizombumbe mina.
Jwayela kabi. Ukusodlala mina la. I am sure you know how much this will cost you in your life. Huh? so. Liza, andike wathi kwenzakalani after? Okay, kids. Pack your things ready.
No? I'm not going anywhere, Tim. Let me do it.
Uyakhuluma sisi. Ma?
Anti asinkani zakhe lo. Lithi lihamba lani anti?
Kade la usithini futhi? Uyahamba, akulamuntu osala la.
And I think okunye sokululaka into ze BP lani sokwenye level. Mina anti umnikazi wendlu le. So umnikazi wendlu anti mele ihlale phakathi endlini yakhe.
But auntie, kamishwa sokumele ngijama flowers ami ezintandane. Imbeda yami yonke embida auntie. Auntie imagine sokumele ngigebhe amalandmine wonke ngiyagejela kwenye. Auntie ami base yami phela le.
Shut up wena. Today wonke umuntu uyasuka la. Hamba niyepheka imchaqana yenu.
Anti Wi-Fi ayiphekelwe. Ungakazi naphupha la lokuthonga. Contrast one year.
Jay, chop chop, wonke umuntu kahamba. Hamba nini isempahla zenu le.
Auntie, mina ngisadinga ipiki yokugiba imali.
Anti sokuyela ama-Kardashians.
Liya. Liya. Phangisani manje.
Anti kodwa ngiyahlekisa ngabantu mina. Ngisisehlele lokuthini mina?
Wena?
Kodwa anti manje ukuthi ugadela ngaliya sesile bodini mina ebhodini hayi angiyenza.
Khona Liya.
Anti kodwa sho abantu bangihleka mina.
Anti lithatha kancane imali le anti leni. Hayi, lithatha kancane imali. Hayi, lithatha kancane imali.
Manini. No, Elphina. Hayi, asabeni. Uzasithola ngapha. Angithathela le Wi-Fi ukuthi ngitawula le.
Higher